To create the line, you want to insert 2 rows after the header, which I do by right-clicking over here and say insert row, and I'll do it again, insert row. And on the topmost one, we want a border. So we want the border here to be solid. There we go. We know, and you need it only to be on the bottom. So we write it only down here. There we go. And you set the height to 2.5 points. There we go. And the empty row underneath, you set this as a height of 2.5 points. So that's a fairly quickly way of getting a solid line in the right space just underneath the header. Next up, I'll show you a few tips on how to working with the content inside the table.